Hey guys, here we got a new booster box here. It is a Scarlet and Violet Stellar Miracle, Japanese. So we're going to unbox this and hopefully we get some of the top 10 pulls.
And this is my first video back from school.
Alright, let's take a look. Probably opening it all wrong, but it's okay. Here they are.
Packs.
Let's see what we got. So we got a bunch of packs right here. Let's see if I can. I don't want to accidentally mess them up. Maybe we should go one by one. What do you think?
Yep.
Alright. Let's go one by one. Let's see what we got on this one. Nothing. Ooh, this one looks good. It's not a full art, but
Already.
it's nice. Alright, let's open the next one.
And what are we going for today?
There's a lot of full art ones that we are looking for. Nothing good there. Alright, here's the third one. Oh, this guy looks funny. Another Lilith. Ooh, full art Grubbin.
Ooh, that looks
This is one of the good ones. We got an Electivire. Yeah, this one's cool.
Ooh.
Full art Grubbin.
It's different from all the cards.
Yep.
Alright, two good pulls so far.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yay.
These only have like I think 5 cards each pack. Alright, Electabuzz, Phalanx, Corbunny, and nothing.
Wah, wah.
Wah wah wow.
Got a lot of packs left.
I know. So we're kind of going through these quickly. Alright. Crabrawler, Chinchou, and Crabdominal.
Wow.
Nothing good. That's not bad so far. That Grubbin's really cool. He's like eating the whole cake. Alright, let's see here. I think this one's good. No, shiny Noctowl. I mean hollow, sorry, and nothing.
It's alright.
We got a lot more to go, so
Still have a bunch of hope.
yeah, we're gonna hopefully get some good ones here. Alright. We're trying to get the Dachshund full art. Oh, that looks cool. It's like a fossil. And nothing.
Alright.
Here we go. Oh, this card's pretty cool. Alright. Ooh, that one looks cool. But it's not one of the pulls we were looking for. Alright, let's start again. And nothing.
Insert some background music. Come on, editor. Do it.
Alright. Charger Bug. Oh, that's a different looking Rotom. It's a Rotom too. Pangoro. Marowak. All right. Let's see here. Right on. The tornadoes.
Still, so many packs to go. Don't worry, guys. Stay tuned.
Let's see what we got here. This one all weird. Rubbing again. Hoot hoot. Ooh, a full art right here. That one's cool.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. Third pull.
First full art.
It's actually our second full art.
I'm gonna keep track.
That one was a nice one. Alright, let's try this one. Ooh, Creed. Slow King. No.
Wow. Probably will be our longest pack opening.
Here we go. Ladybug. Oh, we got this one already. Oh!
Oh!
Dutch Bun. Not the full art, but this one's nice. We're looking for the full art one. That's 4.
Okay, okay. It's a sign.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Yep.
But all the pulls on here are the full arts.
Yep, yep,
So
yep,
let's
yep,
see. Collectibles. Talonflame. No. Alright. Slowpoke. Let's see. Ooh, full art Noctowl.
Yep.
This is a good pull right here. Full arts. That's what we like. That's what we like to see. Get our money's worth here. This booster was not cheap.
Yep.
Alright. Here it is. Nothing. Ooh, Melmetal. Alright. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. Turnator. Nada.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Alright. Joltik. Score Bunny. And nothing. Alright. We're down to like the last, what?
Last like
Eight.
bundle?
8-10 packs.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see. And, ooh, this one's nice. Lapras right here. Alright, we're starting to pick up the pace. Alright. Ladybug. Ooh, oh, look at this one.
Ooh.
It's one of those nice, really nice and shiny. That looks good on the
It's
camera.
like squared.
Yeah.
Like a diamond shape.
Alright. Slowpoke. Ooh, Lydian. That looks cool. Alright, almost there.
About to hit the 10-minute mark, guys.
Alright. Right horn, driftling. Nada.
Wow. Still got a few more packs to go.
See what we got.
We got like 6 left.
Rhyperior, hollow, but not any of the chase cards. See here. Nothing.
Wow.
Fat zero.
L in the chat though.
All right. Nope. All right, we're down to our last 4, guys.
All right. Cross your fingers, guys.
Hoping we get a
Full
top 10 pull here.
art dashboard.
Ooh!
I noticed.
Full art Crebdominable. That one's nice.
He looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's real cool.
Wow.
All right.
All right. Well,
That was a good one right there. See if we can get anything else right here. No.
nada.
Hollow, but not what we're looking for. Last 2.
All right. Come on. Come on. Come on.
See what we got. Nothing.
All right, guys. Last pack magic.
Let's go with the last pack magic here.
Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers.
I'll open this one traditionally. Let's go. Joltik, Pancham, and
Ooh.
Medicham.
Not bad. Not bad.
Last one, guys. Thanks
All
for
right.
watching.
Yippee! We got him.
These are the pulls all right here. Not too bad, not too bad.
All right. Thank you guys for watching.